Think your PC is starting up faster because of this option right here? Fast startup might sound like a performance boost, but in reality, it could be slowing you down, causing shutdown issues and even messing with your dual boot startup. Let's talk about why you need to turn it off right now. Fast Startup is a hybrid shutdown feature introduced by Microsoft. Instead of doing a full shutdown, it log you off, then put the system into hibernation. That way, your system boosts faster next time you power on. But here the twist. Because if this is not a clean boot, background issues, driver errors, and even update don't reset properly. This makes your system sluggish, unstable, and sometimes even buggy after startup. Mostly, the issues you see in is PC 140 shutdown, external drive not recognized, dual boot system not working, and BIOS settings not triggering, and driver not loading properly. This is how you disable it. Go to Control Panel or Power Options, click and choose what the power button do, then change the settings that are currently unavailable, uncheck turn on Fast Startup, hit Save, and you are done. Sure, fast startup can make your PC boost faster, but hidden issues not worth it. Full shutdown give you a system fresh start. If you want real speed and stability, turn it off. Trust me, your PC will be much better. If this helped, hit the like button, subscribe for more Windows tips. Drop a comment below if a fast startup ever give you a headache or problems. See you next one. Peace.